Hi, bouncy ball on the side, please.
I just do my own stuff and then you say something.
Hi. Hello, Tony.
What?
Be nice. Why you have so much bruises on your right elbow?
I have no idea.
そう、そんでね、とんちゃんね、初めてテストあったんだよね、学校でね。算数ね、math ね。何点でした？
C マイナス
C マイナスは何点ですか？ How much percent?
50%。
50% でしょ？で、本当は何点取れたと思ったの？何点取れてたと思ってた？
A プラス
で、A プラスは何点なの？
100%。
なのに 50% だったんだ。それはどういうことかな？どうしてですか？先生なんだって？
You probably rushed.
ねえ、とんちゃん。だから何習んだ？ママ always told you ね。Slow down and take your time so you're not gonna make mistakes and you don't need to redo your homework over and over, yes?
Yep.
See, this happened, right? At school. あらまあ、そう、とんちゃんはじゃあ思ったより頭良くなかったんだね。思ったよりもおバカさんだったんだ。何よ？そのは何？
とんちゃんはスマート。
No, that's what you think. でも本当は違うじゃん。50点なんだもん。何？だって50点は本当でしょ？ C マイナスは。それも初めてのテストじゃん。初めてのテストで50% で、それも得意な算数じゃん。得意 means your best subject, okay? You're great at. So だからどうすんの？これから、so what's gonna happen?
Patterns though.
No, it's okay. So from next time, what are you gonna do? What did you learn from this exam?
Not washing.
And then? ラッシングじゃなくてきちんと喋ってくださいよ。
Not rushing and read the question better.
Better. そうね。きちんと気をつけて問題読むんだよね。本当？で、次のテストは何点取るの？本当に？Seriously? How are you gonna achieve that?
Because it's easier.
No, but how are you going to achieve that?
By doing the stuff I did wrong, not wrong.
But it's not going to be the same question, so you can't do that, right? Because it's going to be a total different questions now.
But it's whole numbers. It's easier than patterns.
Unbelievable.
What?
Okay, so you're going to get what? A or A plus the next time?
B minus.
B minus?
No, B.
But if you get B, then you can have the average of... Still average will be C though.
At least B or higher.
Oh, you a chicken. You're a chicken now.
Why?
You said A plus or A and now it's B. Come on.
B or higher.
No, it's not good enough.
No, it is.
In order to make it average of B, what do you have to get?
2 A's.
2 A's will be maybe about B minus or something. So what did mommy and daddy say? If you can academically keep up, and what's going to happen?
No. Soccer.
ね、だからきちんとしましょうね。
Okay.
はい、顔出してください。Alright. Sit correctly, come on. Alright, so study harder and do your homework now.
No.
See, that's the problem. You don't do homework and you get 50%. Welcome to Mommy's World. I will be forever picking on you. No, Mommy's World. Welcome, Tony. I'm gonna be forever picking on you with this C minor. So get ready for that.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So you should be embarrassed about it. You're not as smart as you thought or people thought.
And you thought I was this smart, but I wasn't. Oh!
Yeah, so that's the problem. So I have to give you more homework. No! Burn! Okay, this is the test Tony took and got C minus C, 14 out of 28, 50%. そうなのよ。これがね、カナダのね、テストらしいよ。It's not like a special paper that the teacher created or anything. This is just a photocopy of a textbook or something. And then this is what happened to Tony's exam, and that's what I want to show you guys. Yeah. これね、日本と違ってさ、先生が作ったりするんじゃなくて、just coming from なんかどっかの教科書でプリントしたやつなんだよね。でね、 1問目はいいの。He did it right. And second one, he did it right. でね、これなのよ。didn't do it right. ね、これ3つ質問があるのに、there are 3 questions, but he only picks one and he just answer one. He doesn't read it carefully. きちんと読まないね。そんで B でね、ここに1個の質問があるの。There is one question, and this is a second question. なのに、1個目の質問をどうやら、It seems like he took this question as explanation for the following question. ね。で、そんで、それが理由だから、ここをやらない。で、ここだけやる。同じこと。Same thing here. They missed the first question and then not answering it, and then second one he answers it right? だから半分しか取れないわけよね。で、これ3分の1じゃない。でね、this is the funny thing. これがやばいんだって。これ。ね。これ、number 2でしょ。で、find the pattern rule for this pattern. So, この数字があって、このパターンを答えなさいと。ここなの。で、look at the pattern in part A。ね。で、パート A で先生矢印してるじゃない？何やってんのかと思ったら、パート A って書いてないじゃん。ほら、これパート A ね。でもこれ、この人の、トニーにとってこれナンバー2なわけよ。だから、ピッてページ戻って、パート1に戻って、ここで使った数字を使って、ここの問題解いたから、全部が間違ってるっていうね。Yeah, so what happened was, okay, you see, this is a question number 2, and there's an A. He did it right. And then number 2B is say, look at the pattern in part A. And he took this part A, okay, he didn't take this part A as the A above here. Instead, he flipped the page back and then went to this part A and then used the numbers he used to calculate to answer this question here. Then answer this question, so he got it all wrong, right? Because he got it first one right, but all the number that he based on is a wrong thing. So part A だからこれが全部間違ったと。そう、それが理由で、and others are fine. See, both are right. And the final page, correct. そうなの。That's the reason why he got C minus 50%. That's very interesting. I didn't even expect that he would misunderstand. Like, question 2, part A, he goes back to question number 1. That's very interesting. そんな感じみんなにね、報告したかったの。ってことです。またね